Have you ever been quoted one price to buy a home only to see it jump again and again? You're not crazy. Some loan officers do play games, and today I'm pulling back the curtain on two of their biggest tricks and how to avoid them. Let's talk about what's really happening. Loan officers know you're shopping around. To win your business, some will only show you part of the cost, the bare minimum they're required to disclose, making their quote look cheaper than it really is. When you're pre-approved, you'll probably get a cost breakdown. But here's the thing. Many lenders will only quote Section A fees, also known as origination charges. These are the only fees they actually control. But there's a whole other world of fees: appraisal, title, recording, taxes, insurance. None of those are charged by the lender, but you will pay them. Yet many lenders conveniently leave them off to make their costs look lower. Real talk example. There's a lender in my area that always says, our closing costs are just $499. Sounds great, right? But when I quote someone the full picture, taxes, insurance, title, it ends up being thousands more. And clients will say, well, that other lender is cheaper. Nope, they just left out the truth. If your lender isn't showing you all the estimated fees, even ones they don't charge, they're not really being honest with you, and that's not okay. Coming up next, let's talk about the second trick, one that hits your monthly payment right where it hurts. All right, you've seen one trick, hiding closing costs, but this next one is sneakier. It affects your monthly budget and can leave you with major regret after closing. Some lenders give you a quote for your monthly mortgage payment, but they leave out critical parts of the cost on purpose or by laziness. Here's what a monthly payment should include: principal and interest, mortgage insurance, property taxes, homeowners insurance, HOA fees if applicable. If any of those are missing, the quote is not real. The sneaky move: let's say a lender tells you your monthly payment will be $1,000, but they left out taxes and insurance, then your actual payment ends up being $1,700. That's a 700-month surprise. Wouldn't you feel tricked? Worse yet, some online lenders use inaccurate local estimates. For example, here in Northeast Florida, annual taxes are around $3,800 on a $330K home. But I've seen quotes where lenders say it's only $2,000. That's just lazy or misleading. Reminder, taxes aren't controlled by your lender. The county decides those. So even if your quote shows a low number, it doesn't mean that's what you'll pay. Don't be swayed by a low quote that leaves out real costs. Always ask for a full monthly breakdown with everything included. Now that you know the tricks, let's wrap this up with exactly how you can protect yourself and choose the right lender. So how do you make sure you're not getting tricked when shopping for a mortgage? Here's your roadmap to doing it the right way and saving thousands in the process. Step 1, compare at least 3 lenders, but don't just compare the bottom line. Focus on what matters. Step 2, only compare Section A fees. These are the origination charges, the only part of closing costs your lender actually controls. Step 3, ignore third-party fee differences. Taxes, insurance, title, escrow, they'll be the same no matter which lender you choose. Don't pick a lender just because they show those numbers lower. Step 4, use a payment calculator. You can actually text me at 904-442-3213 with the hashtag #AlterYourPayment to get a free calculator that compares homes and estimates monthly payments accurately. Or use a tool like Zillow to look up real property taxes. Step 5, get a full written breakdown. Ask your lender for interest rate, all estimated fees, not just theirs, a full monthly payment, principal, interest, MI, taxes, insurance, HOA. Look, not every loan officer is shady, but it's your money and your future. So don't just rely on a quote in an email. Know what to ask, know what to compare, and protect yourself. If you're ready to choose a lender who's honest, transparent, and will walk with you every step of the way,